A pointer is an address in memory. When you create a variable, it's assigned an address in memory. You can store that address in another variable called a pointer. A pointer is represented in code as being the data type with an asterisk after it. This type of variable points to a location in memory that holds a specific type of data. A pointer could be created in one of two ways. The first way is taking the address of an existing variable on the stack. This is done by using the address of operator, or an ampersand, and placing it in front of an identifier. In this example, we are saying that p is equal to the address of I. The second way is by performing a dynamic memory allocation using malloc. Malloc allocates memory on the heap and returns the address of it. This memory must be freed at some point to avoid memory leaks. To get the value of a pointer, you need to dereference it using the value of operator. This is done by placing an asterisk before an identifier, effectively saying, give me the value of the memory pointed to by p. You can also set the value pointed to by p by dereferencing p and setting it to a value. This has been C pointers in 60 seconds.